Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to use Tunnelbear VPN on Android. First, you have to download the Tunnelbear app from the Google Play Store. Open the Play Store by tapping the Play Store icon on your Android device. Search for Tunnelbear. To download the Tunnelbear app, tap the Install button in the top right. To open the Tunnelbear app when it is finished downloading, tap the Open button. Tap Create a free account if you haven't already signed up for Tunnelbear. Enter your email address and create a strong password, then skip to verify your email. If you have already signed up, tap Log In next to already have an account. Enter the account email and password you used at sign up. After creating your account, check your email for verification from Tunnelbear and tap Verify My Account. If you already have a verified account, you can skip to Get Connected. To connect to the fastest tunnel, select Fastest. To access the countries list, tap the up arrow at the bottom of the screen. Select the country you would like to tunnel through. Permission will be required by your device. Click Continue to proceed. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.